Did you know that one post on TikTok can make a small business go viral overnight? That's the power of social media marketing. And today, I'm going to show you how it actually works, even if you've never used it before. Okay, let's start simple. Imagine you have a lemonade stand, but instead of waiting for people to walk by, you tell your friends on Instagram, you post a fun video on TikTok, you show how you make the lemonade. That right there is social media marketing. It means using apps like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook to tell people about your product, your service, or even your story, so they remember you, trust you, and maybe even buy from you. Social media is like magic. You don't need a store, you don't need a big team, you just need your phone, some creativity, and a little courage. You can reach 10 people, 100 people, even a million, all from your bedroom. That's why big brands use it. And small creators, they use it to grow their dreams from zero. Now let me show you the big three platforms, the ones you need to know if you're starting today. Number one, Instagram. It's for photos, short videos, and stories. Think cool pictures, behind the scenes, and product teasers. Number two, TikTok, super short, fun videos. Think trends, music, storytelling, and comedy. It's great for going viral. Number three, YouTube, longer videos. Think how-tos, reviews, and deep dives. It's perfect for teaching and building trust. Don't use all three at once. Just pick one to start with. Pick the one where your people are. Now here's the big question, but what do I post? Let me make it easy. Think like a storyteller. Show something people can feel. People don't follow products. They follow people and stories. Here are some easy ideas you can try. Before and after, show the change your product or service makes. Behind the scenes, share your process, your workspace, even your mistakes. Tips and tricks. Teach something useful, even if it's simple. Ask a question. You start a conversation in your caption. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need to be you. Being real is better than being perfect. Let's keep it real. Social media can feel like a lot. So here's a simple plan. Pick one platform, post 2 to 3 times per week. Use trending sounds or hashtags. Reply to comments and messages. That builds trust. Think of it like planting a seed. Water it every week. Show up. Be patient. And one day it'll grow. Social media marketing isn't about being famous. It's about being seen and heard. Even if you're shy, even if you're starting with zero, your story matters. Your message matters. So go post that first video. Start small and remember, this is just the beginning. The world is waiting to hear from you. If this video helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you're going to post?